Hi guys, I'm Abha and welcome to my channel Happy Mommy Vlog. So today's video is going to be easy makeup tutorial for a perfect outdoor look. So guys, I really like makeup and cosmetics, but I don't wear makeup every day or daily because makeup is the only thing which can be very harmful to your skin, and if you are having a sensitive skin, please avoid using makeup and all. I also wear makeup whenever I shoot my videos or I go for outing or any party or anywhere else out. So this is my opinion, and I also don't use so much makeup. I have my own style of using makeup in a very little quantity, which is very easy. And if you are a new mom or you are a would-be mom, you have a dull skin or you have scars or you have a dark circle, you can also use these products I'm going to show you, and the tutorial I'm going to show you, you can also follow this way. And in this makeup tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get a perfect outdoor look. So let's get started. Look who is here. Hi guys. Say hi to all. Say hi. Say hi. So guys, she was sleeping actually, and now she is here. There is one more reason I don't wear makeup, because she doesn't like me wearing makeup and she just loves to snatch my lips and remove my lipstick and just smudge my kajal. So this is it. So guys, in this makeup tutorial I'm going to tell you my basic makeup routine. So first of all, I'm gonna tie my hairs from the back, and I'm gonna clip my front hairs with this kind of clip so that I can use makeup easily. So guys, now I'm gonna clean my face, and I'm using water and this spray bottle. You can also use any kind of good cleanser to clean your face. As a makeup base, I'm going to use this Lakme Absolute Makeup Primer. And believe me guys, this primer is really good. This covers all my skin pores and gives me a natural glow. I'm using my fingers to apply this on my face. Little much quantity of this primer is perfect for your skin. It will take few seconds to get set on your face, so have patience and keep massaging on your face. So guys, it's done. Now I'm going to apply foundation, and I'm using this Fit Me foundation from Maybelline New York, and this foundation is really good. Again, I'm using my fingers to apply this also. Why I use this foundation? Because this one is really good and gives me a natural glow. Believe me guys, I got a very good foundation from Maybelline New York. You can also use your daily purpose. This is amazing. It will also take few seconds to get set on your face. It's done. So next thing I'm gonna use is a concealer, and this one is from Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer, and the shade number is number 10. You can also use Maybelline New York Age Rewind Concealer instead of using this one, but as for now I will use this one. And this concealer mixes well with the foundation. It is very easy to apply also. It has a brush. You have to apply this concealer under your eye in a triangular form, like this, and a little bit on center line of your nose, little bit on your forehead, and a little on your chin. I'm using few patches on spots on my skin. I have some till on my face, so I'm using little on my till also to hide them, and I'm gonna merge it. So guys, as you can see, it's done, and now I'm going to apply this LA Girl Professional Pro Concealer and Maybelline New York Face Blush Contour to contour my face. Apply it to contour your nose, cheekbones and under your chin. I'm applying it both sides of my nose. And a little bit on my lips, because my lips has a uneven color tone, so I'm applying this one on my lips also. Now I'm gonna merge it. So first of all, I'm gonna use this blush from this palette. I'm using Color Bar Blush on Brush to apply this. Next thing, I'm going to use the highlighter from this palette, and I'm using the same brush. I'm not a big makeup brush lover, so I use 2 or 3 kind of brushes to apply makeup and all. And I'm applying the same thing as my eyeshadow base. And the last thing, I'm gonna use this contour from the palette. I'm using a little quantity. Guys, I'm not a big eyeshadow lover. If you want to apply eyeshadow for a basic makeup or a face strip makeup, you can go for this 24K Gold Maybelline New York eyeshadow palette. All the color I need for my basic makeup and face strip makeup available in this palette. It's really amazing. So guys, it's done, and now I'm going to apply eye pencil and eyebrow pencil, and I'm using Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal as my eyeliner and kajal, and grey color Fashion Pro eye pencil from Maybelline New York. Actually, I already have a dark eyebrows, so I just need to give a shade. The natural brown color is also available in this range, so if you want that brown color, you can also get it from Nykaa.com. Now I'm going to use this Nykaa Rock the Line eye pencil. And if you want to apply any kind of eyeliner which is in liquid form, you can also go for it. It's done. And next thing I'm going to use is a lip color, and I'm gonna use a lipstick from Nykaa, and the shade number is 11M Naughty Nude. My friend Priya gifted me this lip color, and I love to use this one because this gives me a very natural lip color, and I really love this one. I'm using this one since 3 months, and this is so amazing. So it's done, and now I'm using this pearl white eye color from this palette to highlight my eyebrows. I'm not using any kind of mascara. So guys, it's done, and I'm ready to go out. So guys, this is all my makeup look whenever I shoot my videos or I go for an outing. So I found this makeup style very easy, and I hope you also like my style of outer makeup. Guys, I found this makeup style very easy for me, and I hope you also liked and enjoyed this video. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe my channel Happy Mommy Vlogs, and do share your comments too, and hit the bell button for regular updates. So stay happy, Happy Mommy Vlogs. Bye bye.